कौन से एज में आपने हेयर लॉस एक्सपीरियंस करना स्टार्ट किया?
Probably 34 years I was when I started seeing hair loss, and it was bad.
So कोई ट्रीटमेंट्स आपने पहले ट्राई किए थे?
Yeah, I was suggested some medication. It was like having 4 or 5 tablets every day, and it's like keep taking it for as long as you can.
How was it psychologically for you during the hair loss phase?
It always feels bad, as in nobody will ever want to wear a stained shirt. So to me, it always looked like a stained head.
ट्रांसप्लांट तो करना चाहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ेगा, येस वी नो द आउटकम ऑफ इट, बट आपने यही सोचा था इंदौर में कराएंगे, आपने सोचा था मुंबई, दिल्ली, अदर सिटीज?
I could not have gone to any other city for a hair transplant. Somehow my wife happened to see interview of Dr. Abhishek Pilani, and soon after that she came across someone. He was bald, but now he had good hair. So again it gave us more confidence about Ashore Clinic.
तो यू आर वन ऑफ देम जिन्होंने एक बार क्लियर हो गया, कॉन्फिडेंस और ट्रस्ट आया तो टुक अ डिसीजन.
See, I was 50% sure that I'll go with the hair transplant. After a half an hour discussion with the doctors over here, I was 100% sure.
What are the compliments you got?
There were people who always told me it's not necessary for you to have hair. Being bald is also okay. Now the same people ask me, should I go and consult your doctor?
ये सुन के ही आई थिंक बहुत लोगों को मोटिवेशन अपने आप में ही मिलेगा.
See, if anybody asks me whether you should get a hair transplant or not, I would definitely say yes, just go and ask your doctor.
Hello, Mr. Kamlesh. A very warm
Hello.
welcome on
Thank
our
you.
channel Beyond the Mirror. Thank you so much sparing time and joining us here.
My pleasure.
So, Indore, you've been living here all your life?
Yes, I've been living here all my life. I was born in Gwalior, but
Okay.
since I was 8 years old, I've been here.
Okay. So, आपको क्या बोलना है इंदौर एज अ सिटी के बारे में?
See, we all know Indore has been the cleanest city of India
Yes,
for the
absolutely.
past 8 years,
Yes.
right? And good food is one of the
Absolutely.
USP of Indore.
Yeah.
And apart from that, yes, there has been tremendous development in the city, which
True.
everybody is proud of. Not only about cleanliness, about roads, about infrastructure.
Clean city तो definitely every time we
Yeah.
come here and we get that feeling, and I think 7 to 8 years in a row,
Yeah.
Indore has been awarded for this. Work-wise कैसा है यहाँ पे work culture?
Work culture is not as stressful as it might be in Mumbai or Delhi. It is a little slow life. That's what people like about Indore, right?
Right.
It's not as fuzzy or
Right.
as it is in Mumbai or
Correct.
Delhi.
Correct.
It is a little relaxed life. I think probably on an average, people here in Indore leave for their work at around 9:30, 10 in the morning. Yeah.
Correct. So it's a little ease life.
Little easy life.
Correct.
Yeah.
Talking about your hair, do you feel आपको लगता है कि स्ट्रेस क्योंकि इतना आप बता रहे नहीं है यहाँ, तो जेनेटिक फैक्टर्स थे या आपके केस में हेयर लॉस का व्हाट वाज द?
See, I spoke about stress as in the city does not give you stress, but then everybody's work does involve a little stress.
Correct.
And so is the case with me.
Okay.
And apart from the stress, I think the genetics and the lifestyle, they all together contribute to
Correct.
hair loss.
Right. So कौन से एज में आपने हेयर लॉस एक्सपीरियंस करना स्टार्ट किया?
Probably 34 years I was when I started seeing hair loss, and it was bad.
Correct. So कोई ट्रीटमेंट्स आपने पहले ट्राई किए थे?
Yeah, I was suggested for some medication. I did start with those medications, but it was like having 4 or 5 tablets every day, and it's like almost you have to keep taking it for as long as you can.
Correct.
But then I have been very, very bad at taking tablets regularly. I'm not punctual. And secondly, I also feel there might be some side effect to
True.
all tablets,
Right.
all medicines. So I could not continue with that. And I always thought that with my good diet or good lifestyle, this hair loss might stop, right? But then it did not happen.
It didn't happen.
So eventually I had to go for a hair transplant.
Correct. So when you thought कि अभी ट्रांसप्लांट ही कराना है, आपने यही सोचा था इंदौर में कराएंगे, आपने सोचा था मुंबई, दिल्ली, अदर सिटीज?
See, one thing I was sure of, I could not have gone to any other city for a hair transplant.
Okay.
So I was looking for a good, trustable option in Indore. And somehow my wife happened to see interview of Dr. Abhishek Pilani on Instagram.
Okay.
And fortunately, soon after that, she came across someone who is the brother of one of her friend.
Okay.
And she knew since long he was bald. But then now he had good hair. So we asked them, So again, it gave us more confidence about Assure Clinic.
You got a reference
Yeah.
point as well.
And then when I came here, the doctors had been very encouraging, and they
Yeah.
gave me a good confidence that
Yeah.
okay, it is good to go for a hair transplant,
Yeah.
and it is not as painful as it seemed
The
to
fear
me.
that we
Yeah,
have.
yeah.
Correct. So I think 1 साल हुआ है आपके procedure
Yes,
को.
almost an year.
So overall work wise did this disturb, जैसे हम procedure करवाते लोगों को ये भी worry रहता है कि काम affect हो जाएगा, आपका schedule कैसा
No,
था?
ma'am, not at all. It's only about 3 days per session. I had my hair transplant in 3 sessions. Those were 2 months apart.
Correct.
Right? So for every session, you have to be here for 3 days, around 6-7 hours in a day. And then you can always continue with your work at home after
Correct.
being free from here in the evening.
Right.
And then right from the 4th day, you can join your work. And also, the only thing is you have to take certain precautions that you have to save
Right.
your hair from dust
Correct.
or pollution.
Correct.
Yeah.
How was it psychologically for you during the hair loss phase? Like every patient has their own story to share. How was it for you?
See, I think it always feels bad when you see you don't appear physically good. As in, nobody will ever want to wear a stained shirt. So to me, it always looked like a stained head. So I did not like it ever.
Correct.
So I always wanted to save my hair. But as I told you, with lifestyle or with diet, it was not possible. So eventually I had to go with the hair transplant.
Correct. So within a year, we can see results बहुत अच्छे natural भी लग रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So what are the compliments you've got from your friends, family, all of them?
They tell me you look wonderful, you look much handsome compared to what you looked like earlier.
Yeah.
And everyone says it has been a good decision by me to get a hair transplant. There were people whom I came across, my friends or relatives, they always told me that it's not necessary for you to have hair. Being bald is also okay. I know it is okay, but then it is everyone's personal choice.
Right.
So now the same people, when they meet me, those who are bald, they'll ask me, should I go and consult your doctor?
Right.
I tell them, yes, you should go.
Yeah. So your transformation was a motivation to them also.
Yes, it is.
Their perspective
definitely
changed about
yes.
which is in itself very encouraging. On a personal level, from within, how do you feel? Like every day you see in the mirror, you're grooming, you're combing your hair once the whole growth.
See, I feel very happy whenever I get ready, go out of home. I feel much more confident than I was earlier prior to getting the hair transplant.
Right.
It does help me a lot, and professionally also, I feel I have become more presentable. Right.
Right.
If you are to meet someone for a professional purpose, you make sure you wear good clothes.
Yes.
Clean clothes, iron clothes. You make sure you wear polished shoes.
Yes.
So it's like polishing yourself by getting a hair transplant.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's very true. And
ये
सुन के ही I think बहुत लोगों को वो motivation अपने आप में ही मिलेगा कि इसको भी importance देना है. Though it's not everything like you said, but उससे बाकी चीजें भी enhance होती है.
Yes.
है ना?
See, if anybody asks me whether you should get a hair transplant or not, I would definitely say within a moment just go and ask your doctor.
Yeah.
Right? And it is always a good thing to get a hair transplant.
Correct.
Yeah.
And natural hair or long term, if it can sustain at any age, I think hesitant नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yes. See, I was 44 when I started with the hair transplant. So I think people of any age can go with it.
I've seen one more thing. मतलब जब मैं discussion में थी with few of the other patients, especially from Indore, they were also hesitant. खुद नहीं decision ले पा रहे थे और ये भी लग रहा था कि what will people say. तो ये अभी भी you think aesthetic और ये type के procedures में थोड़ा सा अभी भी acceptance कम है इंदौर में?
देखिए मैडम, लोगों को डर लगता है कि इससे बॉडी को कुछ हार्म तो नहीं होगा, राइट? और कुछ लोगों को ये भी गलत फहमी है कि शायद इसके बाद भी मेडिकेशन बहुत सारा लेना पड़ेगा. 10 years back when I started seeing hair loss, I did consult a doctor. As I told you, I started with some medications. They also told me of the option for the hair transplant, and they clearly mentioned that there are certain medications that you will have to continue with even after your hair transplant.
Correct.
But whereas in the case of Assure Clinic, I was on day one informed that there is going to be no medication after the hair transplant.
Correct.
Yeah. So that was the biggest attraction for me to get it done over here. And I think that was 10 years back. maybe see the kind of technology in every field we
Yes.
have, with each passing day a new technology
Yes.
is coming up. So now probably Assure is doing what the right thing is. So the hair
Yes.
transplant over here is such that it is gonna be permanent without any medication.
Right.
Yeah.
Also to ask you, इंदौर में of course बहुत सारे centers हैं, but if there is a brand that has come from Mumbai or Hyderabad or Delhi, do you think यहाँ पे लोगों को थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा aesthetic procedures के लिए trust आता है if it's from other city centers which have opened in Indore?
मैम मुंबई या दिल्ली से आता है तो definitely they'll trust them more because these cities are way ahead of Indore in terms of technology and the kind of medical procedures are available in those cities.
Right.
I think for any other medical problems also, like for any heart surgery
Yes.
or for any skin surgery, people do opt to go for
Yes.
a good hospital or a doctor in Mumbai, right?
True, true. तो ये तो अभी आप ही के शहर में तो it is convenient also.
Yes, it is. For me,
Yes.
it is very good because I always had this in mind that I cannot go out of the city to get this done.
With the work schedule and all, बाहर जाके
Yeah,
ये सब
and
time invest करना.
Also at the same time, even I was a little scared. I always thought it is going to be very painful. So how will I survive outside my home when I go for a hair transplant in any other city?
True.
Yeah.
Right. 3 important factors that you would want to tell the audience they should consider जब वो research phase में है. Transplant तो करना चाहिए, confidence बढ़ेगा. Yes, we know the outcome of it. But क्या 3 चीजें उन्हें देखनी चाहिए so that they don't take a wrong decision? है ना? तो what are those important criteria?
See, you can always check the track record of the clinic that you are opting for.
Yes.
Right. And I think every clinic is offering to let them meet their past candidates who have had the hair transplant.
Yes.
They can give them testimonials. Right. And I think if it's in your own city, it is better to go for that because I think for the 3 days of the hair transplant session, you should be at peace.
Yes.
Right.
And I think also the team matters, like the doctor who suppose operated.
Definitely. As I told you, on the day one when I came here, those doctors were very encouraging. They told me very honestly, see, it is not painless.
Yeah.
It is going to be a little painful, but we are there to manage that. We are there to take care of you.
Right.
And we can assure you that you will come out fine.
Yes. So I think आपका भी smiling face भी मैं देख रही हूँ. That itself बहुत लोगों को ये feel करवाएगा कि you are happy with the decision.
See, I was 50% sure that I'll go with the hair transplant.
Yes.
After a half an hour discussion with the doctors over here, I was absolutely sure. 100% sure.
So you are one of them जिन्होंने एक बार clear हो गया, confidence और trust आया तो took a decision.
I say about myself that I am good at reading people's faces. So I could understand what the doctor is saying is true and honest.
So the genuineness is what you feel.
I got that confidence in these doctors over here.
And I think जो लोग आपको सुन भी रहे हैं, especially all of them from Indore, because whenever we consult them, थोड़ा सा वो hesitance है, decision making नहीं आ पा रहा है, doubts on results है, fear of pain, all of the points that you mentioned. So after listening to you, I'm sure उनको वो confidence भी मिलेगा and at least they'll take a right decision from wherever they do. The right counseling is what they'll seek for.
See, I think doubt तो है और थोड़ा सा it's not easy. This hair transplant is not a small procedure.
Yes.
So I think everyone should go and consult the doctor.
And once in a lifetime procedure है तो taking a right decision.
Yes, taking the right decision.
Absolutely.
Right. That's right.
So the last one, sir. 3 things जो आपको लग रहा है changed in your life after this transformation and the hair transplant procedure.
I think after having the hair transplant, I keep myself more groomed.
Okay.
Earlier, I used to polish my shoes less often, but now I do that regularly. I used to shape my beard once in 15 days, 20 days. Now that is at least thrice a week. Right? And I am more into clicking pictures on the phone. When my wife asked me to earlier, I was very, very hesitant to do that.
Right.
But now I am okay with clicking photos and even I like it.
Yeah, and even she's happy.
The results, I mean, the images come up very well.
Very well.
Yeah.
Glad. Yeah. This is again interesting to hear.
That makes my wife more happy.
That's important.
Yeah.
Very, interesting talking to you. सारे इंदौर patients हमने बात की. We got to know some of the other story and journey of theirs.
Yeah.
and this is going to be very helpful to everyone who's listening. Thank you so much, sir, once
My
again.
pleasure,
Thank
ma'am.
you for being with us here.
Thank you.
Thank you.